how to manifest and change your appearance using the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach, and today we are soaring high like a big beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend upon. So we're talking about changing your appearance using the power of the universe, the power of the law of attraction. It's easier than you think, and it is very, very possible. So high flyers, I'm going to share something with you very, very powerful here a little bit later on in this video. But first, I think it's important that you understand that your thoughts create your emotions. Your emotions create your feelings, and your feelings lead to inspired action and or to alignment with your deepest desires and goals through the universe. If one of your deepest desires and goals is to change your physical appearance, you can do that by changing your thoughts. So here's something that's fascinating for you, high flyers. When you get up in the morning and you look in the mirror, you really don't see who you are. You think you're seeing a perfect reflection, but your brain is interpreting that reflection. And it's interpreting the reflection based on labels that you have given yourself. It's based on limiting beliefs. So you see that reflection back, but you don't see what's really there because you have limiting beliefs about yourself and about your looks. And you also have other people's opinions mixed in. So you see yourself in the mirror, but you're also seeing other people's opinions. Ouch. So beautiful people, high flying souls, listen to me. When you look into that mirror and you've seen yourself, but you've seen all the opinions and labels of other people, limiting beliefs, this becomes your vibrational set point. This is kind of your place, okay? And so it creates your reality. And I believe that vibrational set point creates what you develop into and what you look like. In other words, high flyers, your self-image creates your outward appearance. Now, I know that may be tough to grab onto, but that's what really happens. Okay. So change the way you see yourself. If you change your labels, if you change your limiting beliefs, if you learn to filter out other people's opinions about yourself, and you change the way you see yourself on the inside, you will automatically begin to shift and change on the outside. So number one is to change your physical appearance, begin with your beliefs. What are my beliefs? Do I even believe that it's possible to change my height, to lose weight, to grow hair, to change my eye color, to change whatever it is that I desire to change about myself? Do I believe that it's possible? If I don't believe it's possible, I'm starting at a deficit. So here's an affirmation that kind of works with this. Instead of saying, I know I can change myself, why not simply say, I believe it's possible. I don't know how, but I believe it's possible to change my appearance. You see, if you can get to just that point, you have started the process of belief in the transformational process of changing your looks. Well, next, high flyers, I think that if you change your beliefs, it's kind of automatic that it's important to change your thoughts. And your thoughts will be easier to change because your beliefs have changed. My eye color can change. My eye color is changing. My thoughts have changed, and therefore my eye color has changed. It's an incredible feeling when you see the physical change that takes place in your body. When you experience it, when you look in the mirror and all of a sudden you realize that your hazel eyes are now bright blue or bright green or deep brown, whatever it is that you decided was important to you. I mean, it's just phenomenal. It's over the top. But you need to change your thoughts that it's possible first, that it is happening. You need to believe it's happening. That's really the key. It is happening. So number 3 is your emotions. Be excited about who you are. I'm excited about who I am. Are you excited about who you are? You should be. You're special. You're unique. There's no one like you. So be excited about who you are already. High flyers, I don't think that changing yourself is done because you don't like yourself. You are changing how you look because you believe it's going to better serve you, that you're going to be more effective in your life, that you're going to feel more confident in who you are. I think it's important, and I think you have the right to change how you look. I mean, if you can change your reality, if you are a co-creator of your reality and you can change anything, then you have the right to change how you look. You know, a lot of how you and I look is a result of programming. And perhaps as we change this programming, these old outdated beliefs, we will automatically begin to change how we look. We'll become more radiant, more vibrant, more exciting, more optimistic. Number 4 is create a powerful visualization program that you do every night as you fall asleep. So here's what I suggest. Do a visualization whereby there is a mirror. So maybe you are in your home and you are combing your hair, okay, or getting dressed. This is your visualization. And then you step over and look at the mirror. And boom, whatever change that you desire is there in the mirror. You have more hair. You have less hair. You're taller. You're thinner. You have different color eyes. Whatever is important to you, see it in the mirror. And then continue your visualization. And before you, say, go outside, before you leave your house in your visualization, pick up a hand mirror and look. Aha, I see it. I like it. You see, the more you look into the magic mirror, we'll call it the magic mirror. It's a neat sounding title. The more you look into the magic mirror in your visualization, in other words, you see yourself in your visualization as you desire to be. That is the key. That is a huge secret. Do that every single day. Finally, high flyers, I think some positive affirmations, some I am taller, I am healthier, I am stronger, I am whatever it is that you want to change. Okay? Positive affirmations that you are doing on a regular basis are absolutely going to help you. Now, if you need special help with this, there is some energy vibrational work. Oops, somebody was calling me. There is some special energy vibrational work that we can do for you to help you with this. And it's called the Ruach Healing Method. It works with the vibration of your body and the vibration of the healer, and the two of you work in harmony to bring about the changes that you desire. You can contact me if you're interested in that. By the way, as a final caveat to all this, I think this is kind of important. Don't forget your 10-minute morning meditation. Your 10-minute morning meditation starts your day off with positive, optimistic, empowering energy. We'll put the link in our description. You have a great day, you deserve it, and here's some other videos I know will help you along the way.